Hey everyone, hope y'all are doing well. Hope everyone's staying safe out there. So, got just a standard Master Lock number 5 here. Found it the other day and found a key in my collection of Master Lock keys that works for it. This is an A101. So, figured I'd pick it on camera for you. Why the hell not? There you go. Can't gut these, but this is just a number 5. It's got the same core as the number 3. Just your standard 4 standard pin Master Lock core. But anyway, there we are. Thanks a lot. Take care. Bye, guys.